Yesterday I was downloading the updates of Beat Saber and I got this error message, content unavailable, and then it changed to content servers unreachable. So in this video we are going to fix this problem. But first of all, hi, I'm Aranoid and I work in tech since many years, and if you like this content, probably you will see other content that will resonate with you on my YouTube channel. So back to the solution. You have to go to Steam settings and clear the cache over here. Then you restart Steam once again, and you have to try to download again the updates of your game. So here I relaunched Steam and I close here and I go into library, Beat Saber update. In the meantime, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video if it was helpful. Alright, almost done and finished. Problem solved.